Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We got a beauty here actually, SCS Steelcase. This is an earnings play. Now, if you're in the room or listened to me yesterday, you know I missed a couple of the earnings plays yesterday. I didn't really pay that much attention to them, and I said, well, today, meaning now, this day, I am going to pay attention to an earnings play if it looks good. Well, look at SCS. So I had earnings. It was earnings, I think, after hours yesterday. Not a big reaction. Here's the reaction right there. Not a big reaction, okay? But look what happened once this market opened. And I typically don't take trades in the first 15 minutes, but I made an exception. This showed up on my 10-day daily breakout. It showed up on my abnormal options scanner and on my momentum scanner. So all three scanners had this. I've just shown how you can take a short. Okay, I was demonstrating in our simulator how you can take a short. That's why you see this here. But what a great trade, guys, for SCS. Many in our room took that. All right, see you tomorrow.